Would you like to discover how you can instantly reduce the appearance of eye fatigue and eye puffiness? Then watch this video and learn more about using the Ultimate Eye Wand. Hi, I'm Alex from John and Ginger, and today I want to introduce you to the Ultimate Eye Wand. It has a great cooling action and rollable heads which make it the perfect tool to help instantly relieve fatigue, signs of tiredness, dark circles and puffiness in the eye area. You can use it on its own or you can use it with an eye serum, and you use across the eyebrow, gently gliding across the orbital bone in a sweeping action. And also you can use it underneath, where you can get dark circles, under eye puffiness. This helps to move the lymph, helps to get that flowing to help reduce toxins that cause puffiness and dark circles. You just can do sweeping movements a few times, and you can also use the end as well. It makes for a great pressure point to relieve any stress and tension in the muscle. That's the Ultimate Eye Wand. It's available at £25, or you can get it for free when you spend £85 on Dermalogica. Thank you for watching. Put any comments below and we'll get back to you, and please subscribe to our channel for the latest news and updates from our beauty experts. Thank you for watching.